Hi there, students. Bleak. Okay, bleak is an adjective that has various similar uses. The first meaning of bleak is desolate, lonely, exposed to the elements, swept by cold winds, unsheltered and barren. So, a bleak landscape, a bleak rocky mountainside, bleak bare rocks. So exposed to the elements, lonely, desolate, with nobody and nothing there. You can also use bleak to mean cold and cutting. In the bleak midwinter, or the bleak Antarctic wind, cold and cutting. And then from these meanings we can use it more figuratively to mean depressing, gloomy, sombre, providing no encouragement, dismal and cheerless. So the future looks dismal. He has very bleak prospects. The feeling in the meeting was very bleak, so very depressed. The future looks bleak, it looks depressing. There's nothing that indicates things will get better. So the bleak, treeless landscape made him feel bleak. The lonely, open, dead landscape made him feel depressed. The bleak landscape made him feel bleak. You could say, he gave me a bleak look. This means that he felt depressed. He felt no hope of a better situation in the future. So, desolate, a bleak plain, cold and piercing, a bleak wind, without hope, a bleak future, bleak news. So bleak is quite a depressing word. I think it's quite a literary word as well. Notice as well, a bleak can actually also be a small silver river fish, okay? But most commonly bleak, lonely, windswept, exposed to the elements, and therefore depressing, gloomy, without hope. So what about formality? I think I'd probably give this word a 6.5 in formality. You might use it in an informal conversation, but I think depressed or something like that would sound better. It sounds very literary, this word bleak. It's good for an essay or something like that. And then as to origin, well, in Middle English there was a word bleke, meaning pale. And clearly this is related to the word bleach. And that in turn came from Proto-Germanic, blaikas, meaning pale or shiny. Okay? So, bleak, desolate and lonely, cold and cutting, or depressing, dismal, dark and gloomy. So, I hope your future is not bleak. I hope you have a wonderful future. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bleak.